This is the common annoying scenario. You finally find a man you fancy, however he is not chasing you. In fact, it is becoming very frustrating as you are the one who is having to do the chasing. The more you are chasing him, the more you realize he is pulling back. This is one of the most common scenarios women complain to me about. The good news is that there is a solution to this problem. You can actually get him to chase after you. In fact, that is the way it should be. Because the more you chase after him, the more likely he will lose interest. It is exactly the same way when a guy chases you. The more a guy chases you, the less interested you become. In this video you will learn 3 great tips on how to get a man to chase you. Let's get right into it. 1. Leave him with a cliffhanger. Okay, so you met this adorable guy you are into. You are probably nervous and are appearing too keen. Not often do you come across this type of guy, so you are naturally excited. However, you have to relax, otherwise you will mess up your chance. You don't want to give everything away when you meet him. You want to keep as much of yourself a mystery. Get him curious to know more about you. The best thing to do is to leave him on a high note and leave him with a question he is dying to get an answer to. Leave him with a cliffhanger. He will then desperately get in touch to find out what the answer is. 2. Pretend like you are going to kiss him but don't. Many surveys have revealed that men will try to hook up with a girl they like as fast as they can, even the same night if they are able to. However, after a man has hooked up with the girl, they lose interest quickly. Men are the opposite of women. While a woman tends to get more attached to a man she is physically involved in, a man will actually get less attached over time. The way to really lock him in is to not give him what he wants but make it a challenge for him. That will drive him crazy. He will do anything he can do to get it, and in the process like you more. A great way to do it is to pretend like you are going to kiss him. Get close to kissing him, but just as you are about to kiss him, pull back and say he has to earn it. Believe me, he will work his butt off to do what he can to earn that kiss. 3. Make it look like you have other options. Men are naturally jealous creatures. They will like something even more if they think they have a chance of losing it to another guy. It is also an ego thing with guys. Even if you don't, you want to give him the impression you have other options. Make it look like you have many guys chasing you, and that if he wants to get in on the action, then he has to act fast. A good way to do this is in a conversation mention the name of some guys you hang out with. That will make him jealous. Thanks for watching today's video. If you'd like to discover every man's secret obsession, click the link in the description below. Have a great day.